Our 2003 Springer Softail Heritage Classic is live on a giveaway right now on www.cyclefanatics.com. And the reason why I'm telling you guys again is because we're getting pretty close to the end. And right now, if you head on over, I'm actually giving double entries. So if you got some already, get some more, or if you haven't got your entries yet, make sure you head on over to www.cyclefanatics.com. Get yourself entered to win. We'll be giving this bike away Halloween Day, October 31st. Double entries are live right now. Good morning, guys. Nice and early today. I'm over here by Mike, Torque Custom Cycles, and I got some time, and he let me use the shop because we're going to be doing an install video, pretty much the first install video on the BMW K1600B. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, go back and check it out. Our new K1600B on the channel. So what I did so far was I put actually a chrome Quadlock mount, bar mount on here. I put the vibration damper on here because you have to have it, otherwise you will ruin the camera on your phone. And I also put the wireless charging head, and then I wired it. Let me show you guys to this side. BMW comes with these power ports. I'm not sure exactly what kind of power port it is, but there's actually a USB-C and a regular USB with a switch on it, and I'm just using it like that. But I realized I don't want the cable here like this, and I just don't want to utilize it like this, especially because if it rain's going to get in there and I'm not going to be able to charge the phone. So BMW also has another charging port on the back for the passenger. So what I'm actually going to do, let me go inside, grab the keys, because I picked something up from Quadlock. I'll leave you guys links down below to all of these parts, but this is what I picked up. So I picked up this lead right here. This is Quadlock, right? That's like the battery tender. That's going to go to the battery, and then this is going to plug into there, and then this portion right here is going to plug in into the Quadlock wireless hub that I just showed you on the bike. So what this is a smart switch, smart adapter. Right now it's in the off position, but I could actually switch it to auto. And what that will do is basically the hub, wireless hub, is not going to turn on until I believe you have your phone connected and the bike on. Or I could have it in the off position, or I could have it in the on position. So I'm actually going to leave this switch somewhere where I could get to it. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it yet, but I'm going to wire all this basically under the tank, so all the wires are hidden and it's always going to be there on. I don't have to worry about that plug. I'm also going to be putting on a battery tender harness. I'm also going to be putting on my heated gear harness, which is this. This is good for my heated Gerbing gloves and heated Gerbing jacket. I do have heated grips and a heated seat on the bike, so this is going to obviously complement all that stuff that's on the bike in inclement weather and in cold weather when we do some ride videos here in the next couple months as it gets cold. So I'm going to bring the bike in and install this. I'll show you guys how to do it and how it looks, and it's going to be a really cool setup. So I'm going to get rid of this right here, but I'm still going to keep this. This is really good because it shows the battery voltage and if I want to charge something else. So I'll still keep it like in my bag just in case something happens. But I definitely want to hardwire this to the battery, probably run it down here really nice. Take this panel off, because this is a panel, this is not the actual tank. And I'll run it down, take the seat off, and run everything underneath right straight to the battery. So that's where the latch is for the seat, and then you can lift up on it. So right there I have the battery terminals. I'm just going to have to take off one of these side panels, probably this right side. Looks like 1, 2 bolts right here. All right, so now the wire's running here. I put it nice and neat over here by the clutch cable. It's going down, or by the brake, I should say. And it's going down. I pop this panel up, and the wire's going underneath this panel and then coming through there. So now I could attach it to the battery. So it's not a problem, but I have to install 3 things onto the battery with all these leads, and I don't want 6 leads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all of them off. I'm just going to put everything into 2 leads to make it nice and simple and clean. Right there, and we'll crimp them on.
Yeah, I was kind of on my knees there, so flexing it a little too much.
That's all nice and clean. I got my port for my battery tender. And then over here is for the Quadlock wireless hub for the phone, and then my heated gear. All right, let's see how this works now. I'm gonna leave the switch in the auto position. So this charging hub actually lights up blue when it's on. Okay, that didn't do it. So let me see if I have to start the bike. Yep, it's on. All right, so I'm done. I got my fuses out right here if I need them. There's like a little cubby over here where I just tucked everything in. Use the same material as they do pretty much. Kind of make a wiring harness, and now I have my heated gear, and I have one for the battery tender. And I left the switch in here, left it in auto, so this way it's always working. Got the seat back on. I got my leads right here whenever I need them. Nice and neat. Alrighty, everything is done. Came out super neat and clean. I got everything: battery tender, heated gear, wireless Quadlock hub. Really nice. You can't see anything, and what I really like now is I don't have to use this plug. All the wires and everything are with the other cables and wires underneath the tank cover. And yeah, that's a really good, clean install. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you're going to be doing it or trying it on your K1600B. But it definitely came out really nice. Yeah, so I'm still waiting on the windshield, and we're going to be getting the side cover panels. I think I'm going to get this cover heat shield and that heat shield, and the two on the other side powder coated in high gloss black. I think that's going to look really nice. We're probably going to do some PPF film on the bike. They do have a kit, actually already a pre-cut kit, so I might try that myself. So we'll see. Probably get a PPF cover for the headlight, because this is a really expensive unit. So just a couple, other little things. And I do have one exhaust trick that I did see online that I want to try on this, because here, let me show you. I mean, the bike, it's like a really deep tone. It's like a really deep tone, but I want it I don't want to put an exhaust on it because I like how these mufflers look, but I just want it maybe a little tiny bit deeper. All right, so we'll bring you guys that video here in the next couple days when I do it. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on another video. Peace out.